Sunrise paints ASR's vast orange orchards in a golden hue, promising a new day.
A drone sweeps gracefully, revealing endless rows of vibrant green-orange trees.
Close-up shots show fresh oranges, glowing brightly under the warm morning sun. A soft breeze rustles through the leaves, a gentle whisper of nature's work. In the heart of ASR's orchards, nature grows the finest oranges, sweet and full of flavor. These oranges are truly fresh, bursting with natural goodness from the earth. Mechanical harvesters gently shake the sturdy branches, releasing perfect oranges.
Bright ASR crates quickly fill with the freshly picked, vibrant orange fruit. Only perfectly ripe oranges are selected, guaranteeing natural sweetness in every drop.
This careful selection process ensures the highest quality juice every single time. Conveyor belts begin their journey, moving oranges from crates into large truck bins. ASR-branded trucks start their engines, ready to transport their precious cargo. It travels smoothly through the picturesque orchards, heading toward the factory.
To maintain freshness, the oranges are transported in temperature-controlled vehicles. This precise control locks in the natural taste, preserving quality for consumers.
Conveyor belts bring a steady stream of oranges deep inside the ASR facility. They check for perfect color, ideal size, and precise ripeness indicators. Any damaged oranges are swiftly and automatically removed from the line.
Upon arrival, every orange is checked through strict quality control measures. A fully automated washing line hums to life, ready to cleanse the fruit.
High-pressure water jets begin their work, cleaning the orange surfaces thoroughly.
Rotating brushes gently scrub away any remaining dirt or impurities.
A sanitizing spray ensures perfect hygiene, preparing the oranges for processing. A three-stage washing process guarantees each orange is perfectly clean and food-safe.
Oranges now pass through sophisticated grading machines, sorting them precisely. AI cameras scan each orange with incredible speed and accuracy.
Only high-grade oranges are sent forward for the crucial juice extraction stage.
Advanced AI sorting selects only premium oranges for juicing, ensuring excellence.
An orange cutter precisely slices each fruit perfectly in half with ease.
Industrial juice extractors then gently squeeze the halves, avoiding the bitter peel. Pure, fresh, and bright juice flows seamlessly into large stainless steel tanks. Precision cutting and squeezing extract pure juice without any bitterness at all. The fresh juice now flows through advanced filtration units, ready for refinement. Fine mesh filters meticulously remove any seeds and larger pulp particles.
Microfilters then clarify the juice further, creating a wonderfully smooth texture. Filtration creates juice with perfect clarity, and desired pulp levels for all.
Huge stainless steel chilling tanks stand ready for the next crucial step.
The freshly extracted juice is gently cooled to very low, precise temperatures.
This cold stabilization allows natural sediments to slowly settle down.
The juice becomes more stable and much fresher, preserving its natural state.
Cold stabilization keeps the juice fresh and preserves its natural aroma beautifully.
A plate heat exchanger activates, ready for the pasteurization process. The juice is heated briefly to a specific temperature, eliminating any bacteria.
Pasteurization ensures safety while maintaining the natural, delicious flavor. This balance between safety and taste is a hallmark of ASR's commitment.
I've finished preparing the dilution series for the orange juice.
Great, load them onto the queue.
Reading is 65.20% bricks.
Perfect, right on target for optimal sweetness.
Before bottling, every batch is tested to meet ASR's strict quality standards.
Sterilized bottles enter the conveyor belt, perfectly aligned for their journey.
Precision fillers pour the vibrant orange juice with incredible accuracy. Bottles then pass through a UV sterilization tunnel, ensuring maximum safety.
This advanced technology minimizes human contact and maximizes purity.
ASR labels are applied cleanly and precisely to each bottle's surface.
QR codes and detailed nutrition facts are printed directly onto the labels. Beautiful packaging reflects ASR's dedication to quality and presentation.
A large, automated warehouse stores the finished product efficiently.
Robotic forklifts move with precision, stacking palletized cartons high.
Okay, manifest shows 42 total.
Got it secured right here, 42.
Perfect, thanks. See you at the drop-off.
From orchard to bottle, ASR delivers freshness directly to your home. A sparkling glass, perfectly filled with fresh ASR orange juice, takes center stage.
Beautifully sliced oranges are arranged artfully around the glass and bottle.
ASR orange juice, truly pure, incredibly fresh, and naturally delicious.
It represents the pinnacle of quality, from the grove to your glass.